everybody, good morning. This is Jean here, Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I am going to be doing a product review. I've been telling you about this, and the dear guy who sent it, he just sent me an email this morning. Did I get the product? I did, Ricardo, and I have been using this experimentally. What it is I had received an email on May the 18th from the Fabric Hut co-founder. You know, www.thefabrichut.com? They have great fabric, because, you know, like, I'm a little bit skeptical when I get these things, like I was telling you, you know, like to, what was it, to collaborate. I'm not doing that. But, and the subject was partnership, and I'm like, oh no, please, please. From a Ricardo Patrocinio. Ricardo Patrocinio. Oh, I wonder if you're handsome. You have a handsome name. Anyway, I got this email on May the 18th. Hi, Jean. Today, we are featuring your video, Beginner Row Quilt Tulip Block Step-by-Step Tutorial, on our mailing list that goes out to more than 50,000 people every day. So you should expect a surge of traffic from us. Oh, I haven't even looked. Did I get a surge of traffic from that? I don't know. I have to look. I've been busy. I was wondering if you would be so kind, I am kind, so as to test our titanium coated rotary cutting blades. And if you like them, make us a short review video we can use in our campaigns. Looking forward to your reply. From Ricardo Patrocinio. Handsome name. Yeah. So I'm looking it over, and I went to Ian and Maxwell, and I'm like, should I do this? Is this like, he says a partnership. I'm not doing a partnership. I'm doing a product review. That's all. And so I silly me, I forgot to send him my address. Yeah. I said, heck yeah, thank you so much for considering me. You do realize that I will do a very honest review? I would be honored. Do you need my address? And then on the 19th, he said, thanks for reaching out. I wouldn't expect anything else. Let me have your address. I completely forgot to send my address, except for about a week later. I'm like, oops, sorry. So, Ricardo Patrocinio, the co-founder of the Fabric Hut, which is a very reputable site. I have bought stuff from the Fabric Hut. He sent me titanium coated rotary blades. Okay, won't do my address there, but there I got this package from him, and I have received the blades, and this is how they come. Okay, and the item description for this product, thank you so much, it's very generous of you, because I got these for free, is 45 millimeter titanium coated rotary cutting blades, 10 in the pack, $75 for the 10. I thought, whoa, but was that very expensive for 10 titanium coated blades? I don't think that was expensive, because I've gotten rotary cutter blades, and they're several dollars for one, and I'm thinking, well, $75, I don't think that's too bad if they do what they're supposed to do. So I immediately went on to the reviews to actually see what this product is about in the reviews. And what you get in this, which I was sent, you get the 10 of them, the plastic container, the brand new high quality SKS-7 titanium coated blades, not reshaped, and it's a universal fit. These blades fit all rotary cutter brands, and I will come to that in a moment. Experienced DIYers and quilters, you know the importance of a smooth, precise cut. Naturally, you have chosen a premium rotary cutter to accomplish this. But did you know the most popular brands of rotary cutters don't have the highest quality blades attached? I would think that. Well, I've gotten rotary cutters over the years, and sort of like out of the gate, they're not like really good. But I'm thinking, do these like shoot fire up their butt? I don't know, maybe they do. Titanium. But I will tell you what I discovered about these when I was using them. Dull blades and scissors force you to cut with more pressure. If you're suffering from fibromyalgia or arthritis, that pressure causes excruciating pain. Rather than suffer through dull blades or emptying your bank account, for expensive brand names, it's time to invest. I think that's what it is. In the Fabric Hut's titanium coated rotary cutting blades. These blades will last twice as long as traditional brand name blades, and they fit perfectly into your cutter. The best part, the blades will save you hundreds of dollars in the long run. The initial investment is, yes, a little bit dear for 10 of them, or not, whatever you think, but I got them for free, so I'm cool. Each blade is blah, 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 blah. Oh, this is a nice thing. Try our blades for 60 days, risk-free. If you can find another blade that beats our quality, we will send you a refund and you can keep the blades. Wouldn't dishonest people be doing that? I think dishonest people would do that. Ricardo, you gotta be careful. Because if these are great and people say they're not, there's a lot of crummy people out there. Warning, the blades are extremely sharp. Oh, I'm like freaking out. I wanted to have Maxwell here with me. As you know, I was saying the other day that Maxwell wasn't feeling well. He's much better, thank you so much. But he had to go out with Ian, and I wanted to get this product review out as soon as I could. Now, what is the titanium rotary blade? I have so many cutters, as you know. I like my Fiskars, I like my Olfa. I have other cutters here that I actually went to put in my new titanium coated blade. And I gotta say, they're over there. I don't know, I'm not gonna get up. I went to put my blade, my new blade, in 2 of my cutters, and I couldn't do it. Nothing to do with this blade. It had to do with my cutter. My cutter must have been a bit old, and it got a little bit yucky. This cutter is from Olfa. Okay, this one is from Olfa. And I'm not sponsored by Olfa either. But man, this was easy. I had so many I'd forgot. To change the blade on the other ones, I had to like unscrew it and be real careful. This Olfa, I don't know when I got this. All you do is you click that button, boop, the blade falls out. You tuck in another blade, you push this thing back on, and you slide that back up and the blade is on. I really quite like that. So Olfa, you want to send me some more blades? No, not blades. I got blades. You want to send me some more cutters? I like this one, the Olfa. I got this at a quilt show not too long ago. So anyway, getting to the product review. Do I like it or don't I like it? I have not been doing a tremendous amount of sewing, but I have been doing a tremendous amount of cutting with my blade, my titanium coated blade. And you're not supposed to, but man alive, it is cut through 12 pieces of fabric with like butter. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I think you remember this fabric I got from my little pillow, from my hanky pillow. I had a hunk left over. So I'm thinking, what can I cut? Well, I started out with 4. That was like nothing. And they recommend like you cut 4, it can cut 4 pieces of fabric. Well, then I'm like, oh, come on, any rotary cutter can do that. So then I did 8, and it went right through it, like in a heartbeat. And I'm thinking, no skips, nothing. Now, it is brand new, but it's titanium. I don't know what that means, titanium coated. It sounds really good. The only thing, and it has like, not notches, oh, it's like a clock. What in the world is that all about? I don't know. No, I don't know what that's all about. The only thing, oh, this is awesome. It cut through 12 pieces of fabric like butter. I kept doing it. Now, does that make is that like a real life instance? I'm cutting cotton. So maybe if I was cutting knits for sewing, this is obviously, a lot of people go to Fabric Hut for 100% cotton. But if you're a dressmaker and you want to do this on knits, I would imagine it would be the same. Like that's 12 slices of that's 12 pieces of fabric over and over and over and over again. I just like beat the dead horse, right? And it's like unbelievable. Now, that's not necessarily real life cutting over months. But I was reading the reviews, 4.7 stars out of 313 reviews. As far back as 2017, 2021, 2022. Absolutely, the reviews are incredible. This is interesting. These blades have performed exceedingly well. I purchased in 2017, and I've done a ton of fabric for quilts. Still wish the blades were easier to separate. Yes, I'll get to that in a moment. Two little things, but very pleased with them. Great price. A second time I'll buy these blades. I've given them to some quilting friends, work perfectly well. Tried cutting through, oh, here's interesting. Tried cutting through 4 layers of 220 GSM cotton lycra knit fabric, and it went through like butter. Yeah. I bought these because of the price. Best price hands down. Cuts fabric like butter. Oh, this is another thing. The advertisement on the website is it fits any rotary cutter. Super quality. One piece, one of these blades is equal to like 6 other blades, which I have a feeling that's right. So in the long run, we provide the most cost-effective product in the market. And then everything can be cut. Well, obviously everything can be cut. Fabric, fleece, leather, cardboard, wallpaper, and more. Now, if my husband came in and started cutting out cardboard, I'd really freak out. But apparently they can. But I think you'd want another, like, you'd want 2 rotary cutters for 2 different jobs, I would think. So this is for my fabric. Now, the only thing that, it wasn't bad. It wasn't bad at all. But they come in this little package here, 10 of them. And I don't know if it was just mine, but they have a coating on them. They have like, it's not terrible, but I did have to like take a tissue and wipe my hands. They have a coating, like an oil. I suppose that's to keep them moist. I don't know if you like moist rotary blades. And of course, with anything, you have to be ever so careful. They are buku sharp, like unbelievably sharp. And as somebody said, they were just slightly difficult to separate. I mean, you get 10 of them. You get 10 of them in that little convenient package there. So just that. I had to go wash my hands because they were a little bit oily. But again, with my Alpha cutter, I just like put it on. And again, it has like a clock. And I wonder if it's like a clock as well. It has like numbers on them. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's weird. That's weird. I don't know what that's about. But anyway, Ricardo Patrocinio. Handsome name. I hope this is a good product review that you will put out because I really like them. Oh my word. I really like them. And I really thank you very, very much for sending them to me for free. I really do appreciate that. I hope this is a good review. I, at this point, would give this 5 stars. Absolutely would. And I hope my followers here on my YouTube channel try it. Go to the Fabric Hut, thefabrichut.com, which I'm sure some of you, if you've ever bought fabric in this country, thefabrichut.com is a beautiful website, and they have lovely, lovely things. Not just fabrics, but titanium coated rotary cutting blades. So I hope you enjoy this product review. I'm like very impressed with them. I absolutely am very impressed with them. And I think I won't be buying them again because I got them for free. But you guys got to buy them. But I think it's a good deal. I really do think it's a good deal. And again, I'm not sponsored, but I really do like my little Alpha. I think it's called an Alpha Splash. I like this one. It was so simple to do. Put it there. So again, thank you so much, Ricardo Patrocinio. I hope I'm saying that right. Patrocinio, Ricardo. Good old Ricardo. Thank you so much for thinking of me, and I hope you get business for your titanium coated blades. Man alive. Sounds awesome. We're in the 21st century. Oh, my machine just went on. My light just went on my machine. Oh. So anyway, thank you so much, folks, for following along with my silly little product review. I think they're wonderful. I get 5 stars from me. Good old Ricardo. Thank you so very much, everybody. Maxwell's feeling a little bit better, but the other day I took a picture of him. I'll put it up at the end. Sweet boy. Thanks so very much, and follow along with me whenever. Whatever I'm doing, I really appreciate it. All right, everybody. Love from the Trueloves and love from Ricardo. See ya. Bye.